Want to simplify your ad management? Introducing Codeless ad units in Google Ad Manager. With Codeless ad units, you can implement top and bottom anchors or interstitial ads without adding new GPT tags to your pages. It's quick, easy, and effective. Here's how you can create them in just a few steps. First, open Google Ad Manager and navigate to your ad units. Select your desired format, whether it's a top or bottom anchor or a full-screen interstitial. Enable the Codeless ad unit by toggling the switch. Choose your desired position, top, bottom, or both for anchors. For interstitials, simply select the format, and you're good to go. Finally, link your ad unit to the targeted inventory and hit save. No additional coding required. That's it. You've just created a Codeless ad unit in Google Ad Manager. Start optimizing your ad spaces with ease and let Monetiscope help you get the most out of your ad placements. Want to learn more? Visit Monetiscope for expert ad management solutions.